Coming up in this video, I've got a simple Raspberry Lynchburg flip using Jack Daniels and whiskey, so it's a whiskey cocktail. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits. You asked for whiskey, so I've got a few whiskey cocktails coming up for you. The first of which is this very simple Raspberry Lynchburg flip. You don't have to muddle raspberries, it's not even a puree in this one. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It's going to be a shaken cocktail. I'm going to serve it up in my mason jar. So the first ingredient I want is a 50ml double bubble of Jack Daniels. There we have it. Second ingredient is pretty standard, triple sec as well. Triple sec, you could use Cointreau if you've got some Cointreau lying about. It's actually a similar thing. I just want 15ml of triple sec. There we go. And then two more ingredients before the shake. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Again, 15ml lemon juice. And then I just need a little bit of sugar. And I'm just going 10ml for me, 10ml of sugar syrup. There we have it. Right, now obviously there's no raspberry in there yet. The raspberry comes afterwards and I'll show you that. So I'm just going to shake this down now and ice that up. And just while I'm doing this, as always, big shout out to my Patreons. Thank you very much, new guys in there, Mark and Scott. Thank you for your love there in the big tier, my membership tier, where all my online courses are. So a big shout out to you guys. I've obviously called this a Raspberry Lynchburg as well. If you want to come up with a different name, because it's not got fresh raspberries or puree in it, again, pop your names in the comments below, your name suggestions. Right, let's get on. Shake this down 10 to 12 seconds. Right, when that is nice and chilled down, pop your tin out. Now, the raspberry comes in two. Well, it comes in one. I'm going to use one of these, but it's a couple of brands that you can use that I think are amazing. The first of which is this Fentimans Sparkling Raspberry. It's kind of like a raspberry lemonade, not as sweet as lemonade, hence I put a little bit of sugar in there. So that's lovely. You can get hold of that quite easily. But the brand that I'm actually going to use is Franklin's & Sons. They've gone for a bit of a rebrand, a bit of a reflavour as well. This is absolutely lovely. So this is their raspberry lemonade. And for that glass, I just want about 100ml. All right. God, as soon as you take the cap off, wow, just bangs of raspberry. Absolutely delicious. There we have it. Right, pop that to one side. So all I need to do now is just strain that down. I've poured that in there because it's fizzy, so I don't have to stir that anymore. So that's already mixed. There we have it. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then the garnish for this, I'm just going for a sprig of mint. And then obviously, as we've got raspberries, here's one I prepared earlier, Blue Peter style. I've just got a little raspberry kebab. Just going to pop in there as well. Straw. And there we have it. A very simple cheat of a Raspberry Lynchburg. So delicious, so refreshing, amazing. If you want to see other whiskey videos on screen now, well, there'll be a playlist popping up where you can take you to all of those. Other playlists are available as well, my rum, my gin, my vodkas, all that. But there we go. Like this video, subscribe, make sure you don't miss any of my future content. See you soon.